In order to accurately simulate the work of the United Nations, we give the delegates an opportunity to have more influence on the decision-making process. In frames of Far Eastern Model United Nations, the General Assembly officials are chairpersons elected among delegates by delegates. The responsibilities of General Assembly officials include monitoring the work of the committee, conducting the line-by-line review, and closely working with the Secretariat members. In order to manage the work of the committee efficiently, the General Assembly officials should be experts in their agendas. They should have a profound knowledge on their committee, its mandate and scope of work. If you would like to apply for the position of the General Assembly official, you should write a motivational letter explaining why you should be selected. Then, when the first round of selection passes, your candidacy will be voted upon. The application process starts on 29th of April and ends on 2nd of May. The elections will be conducted on MUNRF website from 3rd till 7th of May. Be brave, take this challenge, and your efforts will be rewarded. I will be waiting for you at the conference. Apply for the position of General Assembly official.